Today we're 6 floors up, 1,200 square feet, balcony, views of Manhattan right behind you, really unparalleled views. I forgot my belt. Let's check out this property, 80 Bay Street Landing, 6L. All right, wait till you see how big this apartment truly is. So right behind us, obviously the entry door. Now, utility closet, but look how much storage is in there. You're gonna see there's a lot of storage in this place. Real quick, look at this. Look at that. Storage is no problem. Nice doors, solid clothes, nice. Bathroom number 1. Yes, you have 2 bathrooms here. He had it rented out to tenants. They moved out recently, so it is vacant. It's wide open. There are little marks on the walls from them taking their stuff down, but that's normal. Here's your kitchen. Look how big this kitchen area. I mean, look all the counter space. Look, your cabinets have LED lights in them. Stainless. Look at this. You have a real exhausting fan. It's got lights on it, nice lights. But really, look at all this counter space. My jacket, don't mind it. Really, you're not in a house, you're in a condo, 6 floors above ground level. So now look, this whole part right here that we're about to go in, this whole part is the master suite, the wing. Ready? Jump in here. So here's bathroom number 2. All right, this is your shower bathroom. Now this is, like I said, this is like an ensuite. It's part of your suite. The closets, and tons of closets. Tons of closet space. Look at this closet. A walk-in closet. Look how high it goes. Look at this nice sized room. They had a king bed in here before they moved out. Real quick before I show you the view, look, more storage back here. They had, as you could see, against the wall, they had a rack and armoire of sorts. But really, big. Now this is your balcony, which I'll take you out there in a second. Look at that view of Manhattan. Much bigger in front of you right here in person. Staten Island ferries take off from right there. The Ferris wheel would have been built there, but as we all know, that fell apart. But really, crazy views from right here. Look at this beautiful lawn outside. And then they're revitalizing this entire shorefront right here, from bridge to bridge. So look, this is all your master suite, primary suite, they call it nowadays, I guess. And now here we are in your dining room, straight into the living room. So obviously you could see right off the kitchen, like they had it set up, they had a kitchen table right there. I mean, you could put a 12-seat dining room table, whatever you want. They had a nice round one. And then obviously the TV, they had like a 80-inch TV. It was there against the wall. Couch here, obviously set it up how you prefer. I would put the couch and everything on this wall because as you're sitting here, it's hard to see, again, in this little camera, but you see all of Manhattan out there. You see downtown Brooklyn. Boats going by. I mean, it's really cool to sit right here. That right there is 90 Bay Street Landing. I have an off-market property inside there if you have any interest. Look at this, really awesome. And now check out your balcony. So imagine unwinding here, drink at night, coffee in the morning, whatever. Set it up how you want. Look how beautiful. Parking all right here for residents. Parking right here for guests. It's not a far walk. It's not like they're on the other end of the world. It's gated to get in here as well. You can't just come into this area. It starts all the way out there. You got to go through security to get in. And look at your views. Again, that's so much, it's so impressive in person. It looks like this when you're sitting here. Look, little boats, big boats. I mean, oh, sitting out here, it's really amazing. Playground for the kids. Barbecue area. Private walk, by the way, to the ferry. It's closed right now because they're doing all this work, but that is a walk that only the Bay Street Landing residents get to, straight to the ferry. I mean, door to door, you're there in like 4 minutes. So literally from where I'm standing, you take a fast ferry, you're 20 minutes from Manhattan, from where I'm standing. And again, look, so we'll just take one more walk this way. It's so big. This thing is so big. 1,200 square feet. Let me know. Let me know if there's any interest. Oh yeah, and the elevator's right there. How's that for simplicity?